William Wordsworth, Mickey Mouse, Charlie Chaplin, Coca-Cola, Donald Duck, TikTok, American Airlines, Dunkin' Donuts. You all will be surprised what ma'am has started today. So I tell you, did you notice something in these words? William Wordsworth, famous poet name, starting with W letter with the same sound, wa sound. Mickey Mouse, starting with the consonant and with the same sound, ma. Charlie Chaplin, double letters producing same sound, ch, consonant sound. Coca-Cola, t sound. Donald Duck, d sound. TikTok, t sound. American Airlines, a sound. Dunkin' Donuts, d sound. So, did you notice one thing, that we have consonant sounds at the beginning of the word in the same line. So this is what we are going to discuss today, that is alliteration. We are going to start with. What is alliteration? It is a repetition of similar consonant sounds at the beginning of words in the same line, or beginning of words in the series. So where we can use this alliteration, it is used in all the tongue twisters, Hindi, English, Punjabi, whichever tongue twister you pick up, you will find the example of alliteration in that. Idioms and phrases, there also you can find alliteration. Songs, Hindi songs, English songs, Punjabi songs, you can find the example of alliteration. Then in poems, definitely poets use these poetic devices, alliteration in their poems. The names of brands, there also you can find alliteration, prose, and even in movies. Let us see the examples of alliteration in tongue twisters. First of all, the example of tongue twister in English. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. So P sound is there in that. Now let us see the example in Hindi. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी के चम्मच से चटनी चटाई. So here it is ch sound in Hindi tongue twister. Next we have Punjabi tongue twister, that is gol gapangam, g sound. Now I have taken some examples from the poems of grade 12 and grade 11 English. That is NCERT book. So first of all, I am taking example from the poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. So we have the example of alliteration in these words: from, for, F sound, water pits, ba sound, lives like, l sound. Next is from the poem Keeping Quiet. We have the example of alliteration: sudden strangeness, clean clothes, right? Next we have another example from the poem A Thing of Beauty is a Joy Forever. We have the example: sleep, sweet, S sound, have, heard, her sound. Then we have Aunt Jennifer Steiger's poem. We have the example of alliteration in these words: fingers fluttering, F sound. Then we have poem Father to Son, grade 11. Their example of alliteration is silence surrounds us, S sound. Then we have My Mother at 66. Example is terribly transient feet, T sound here, consonant sound. Then another example is The Voice of Rain said to the soft falling shower, said soft, S sound. So I hope this is clear. What is alliteration? That is repetition of consonant sounds at the beginning of the word in a series. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to know about any of the poetic devices, kindly mention in the comment section. I will try to help you out in that. Thank you.